In today's video, I'm going to teach you to transfer money from Halifax to Monzo. We'll go step by step inside the Halifax mobile app so you can send money quickly and confidently. Before we begin, make sure the Halifax app is installed and up to date on your phone and have the Monzo sort code and account number ready. Taking a moment to check those details up front helps prevent any hiccups. Start by opening the Halifax mobile app on your phone, give it a second to load, and ensure you're on a stable internet connection so nothing stalls mid-transfer. Once you're in the app, look along the bottom of the screen and tap on Payments. This is the hub for sending money, setting up new recipients, and managing who you pay. Next, select Choose Who to Pay. This brings up your options for existing and new recipients. Because we're sending to a Monzo account you haven't paid before, tap Pay Someone New. You'll be guided into a simple form to add the recipient's details. Now choose a UK bank account, whether it's a person or a company. Monzo is a UK bank, so this is the correct option. Selecting this tells Halifax you're making a standard UK bank transfer using faster payments. Enter the Monzo account details, including the sort code and account number. Type carefully and review as you go. It's a good idea to glance at each pair of digits to catch any typos. If the name of the account is shown for confirmation, make sure it matches what you expect. Small errors can cause your payment to be delayed or sent back. After that, enter the amount you want to send and tap Continue. Take a moment to confirm that the amount is correct and that you have sufficient funds available. If you're moving a larger sum, remember that banks sometimes have daily limits, so being aware of your limit can save time. You'll now see a summary screen. Review all the details carefully, including the recipient's name, sort code, account number, and the amount. This is your final checkpoint to ensure everything is accurate before money leaves your account. When everything looks right, confirm the transfer to complete the payment. The app will process your instruction, and most UK transfers arrive within minutes, though on occasion it can take a little longer. You should see a confirmation message once it's gone through. And that's it, your money has been successfully transferred from Halifax to Monzo. If you ever need to repeat this, the process will feel even faster the next time. Thanks for watching, and great job getting your transfer done.